Nice one. Nice one. What is up, guys? We are at Disney World. That's right. What you just seen early morning, I'm going on a fishing trip. I'm going with a gentleman named Mark, and he was very nice. He was very knowledgeable. He was absolutely awesome. I'm only booking for a 2-hour trip.
On the bottom of these instructions tip on the bottom of that.
All right.
That white pearl fluke has always been hot bait in this lake. That's what I hate.
This is not a fishing trip for me. It is, but then it's not, if it makes any sense. Can you catch bass in Florida? I'm like, all right, challenge accepted. All right.
They're just gonna piss more reeds real fast.
White. You said white, man. We even got white underspins.
They right up. But it'll eat. It's just too many people going there.
Come on, take it. Go. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Woo. We worked for him. We worked for him. Nice.
Oh my goodness, he got it swallowed down too. Well, he just kind of held it.
He held
He
it.
just kinda took it and just sat there with it.
He held it.
My Lord, I see anybody else.
He
Pliers, I got pliers.
he finessed it.
Anybody else would have lost that fish in the corner there.
We got this one on the
Yeah.
white underspin
Is that the
with
Bud
some,
Light?
no,
No,
that's Purple Haze.
it's your wife or your kids. What's the name?
They're called Top Shelf, so it's a bunch of liquor.
They got different color baits, different colors of fishing carts. They only got gold or silver in the underspin. Why is that? We don't know, but we got it right here with 4 new different colors to pick from. You got your blue, you got pearl white, you got green, and you got your red. Which one you gonna tie to your line to catch your PB?
All right, let's let them go. Oh, light, but this is called king cake. You gotta be kidding me. Got him. And there he goes. Thank you for coming. Nice playing with you.
Nice release.
Yep. Walking back with my fishing pole, and I'm not in the same outfit. I'm not in the same attire because the next video after this is gonna be epic. You're gonna want to see it. Because you know what? I just finished catching some slammers.